హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు శ్రీ చైతన్య. దిస్ ఇస్ ఉమాశంకర్. ఈరోజు ఆల్రెడీ నిన్న మనము 16th జరిగినటువంటి మార్చి 16th జరిగినటువంటి షిఫ్ట్ 1 షిఫ్ట్ 2 అనాలిసిస్ చూసాం. ఈరోజు షిఫ్ట్ 17th జరిగే షిఫ్ట్ 1 షిఫ్ట్ 2 అనాలిసిస్ చూడబోతున్నాం. నిన్న పేపర్స్లో మనం గమనించాం చాలా విషయాలు. ఈ గమనించిన విషయాలన్నింటిలో మెయిన్లీ దే ఆర్ కాస్టింగ్ the previous examination, JEE main standard, old JEE advanced examination, IIT JEE paper questions they are asking. Again I am repeating, if you have identified all the papers, yesterday's papers on 16th shift 1 shift 2, gatamlo old IIT JEE advanced papers lo majority of the questions were repeated. Standard models, the duplicates of the questions were there in 16th paper, 16th morning shift as well as in the evening shift. So my friends, here what I am going to say, those who are preparing for 17th and 18th, I mean coming 18th session, of course, this is an advantage. Okkasari meeru, you please verify all your previous papers. And question papers are almost on par with the standards of February session only. Again, before going to the final verdict, ikkada meeku nenu ఈ వీడియోతో పాటు మీకు నేను స్టూడెంట్స్ బైట్స్ కూడా ఇస్తున్నాను. అండ్ యూజ్ దట్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దట్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ ద ఫైనల్ వర్డిక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ఆఫ్ 17th షిఫ్ట్ 1 అండ్ షిఫ్ట్ 2. ఓకే, ముందు ఆ బైట్స్ చూద్దాం.
ఈరోజు పేపర్ ఎలా ఉందమ్మా?
మ్యాథ్స్ చాలా ఈజీ ఉంది, ఇంకా ఫిజిక్స్ కూడా చాలా ఈజీ ఉంది, కెమిస్ట్రీ ఒకటి ఈజీ టు మోడరేట్ ఉంది. మ్యాథ్స్ 20 క్వశ్చన్స్, ఫిజిక్స్ 20 ఈజీగా అటెంప్ట్ చేయొచ్చు, కెమిస్ట్రీ ఒక 18 అట్లా చేయొచ్చు, 18 అలా చేయొచ్చు.
లాస్ట్ మన ఫిబ్రవరి సెషన్కి ఇప్పుడు ఈ సెషన్కి ఏమైనా డిఫరెన్స్ ఎలా అనిపించింది?
ఫెబ్ సెషన్కి ఇంకా ఇప్పటికైతే ఫిజిక్స్ కొంచెం ఈజీగా ఉంది, మ్యాథ్స్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ సేమ్ ఉంది ఫిజిక్స్ అప్పుడు. కెమిస్ట్రీ కొంచెం డిఫికల్ట్ అనిపించింది.
నిన్న పేపర్లు చెక్ చేసుకున్నావు కదా, ఈరోజు నిన్నటి సెషన్కి వాళ్ళ సెషన్కి నీకు ఎలా అనిపించింది పేపర్లో?
నిన్న సెషన్ ఇవాళ సెషన్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ సిమిలర్ ఉంది, లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ పేపర్ అయితే ఆల్మోస్ట్ సేమ్ అనిపించింది.
ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ మీరు అటెంప్ట్ చేయగలిగాము?
నేను 65 అటెంప్ట్ చేయాలి.
65 టోటల్గా 65. కెమిస్ట్రీలో ఆర్గానిక్ ఇన్ఆర్గానిక్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి?
ఆర్గానిక్ కొంచెం మోడరేట్గా ఉంది, ఇన్ఆర్గానిక్ చాలా ఈజీ ఉంది, డైరెక్ట్ ఎన్సీఆర్టీ నుంచి ఉంది. ఆర్గానిక్ కూడా ఆల్మోస్ట్ హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ది క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎన్సీఆర్టీ కదా.
ఫిజిక్స్ ఏ ప్యాటర్న్ నుంచి ఈజీగా అనిపించింది క్వశ్చన్స్?
ఫిజిక్స్ జనరల్ ఈసారి ఈ పేపర్లో అయితే థియరీ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్కువ రాలేదు, ఆల్మోస్ట్ అన్ని న్యూమరికల్ బేసిక్ ఫార్ములాస్ మీద ఉంటాయి. సో ఈజీగా కొంచెం ఫార్ములాస్ మీద ఎక్కువ స్ట్రెస్ చేసుకొని కొంచెం థియరీ చదువుకుంటే అయిపోతుంది ఈజీగా.
మ్యాథ్స్లో క్యాల్కులస్ పార్ట్ ఈజీగా ఉందా లేకపోతే జామెట్రీ పార్ట్ ఈజీగా వచ్చింది?
జామెట్రీ కూడా చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంది, క్యాల్కులస్ కొంచెం లెందీగా ఉంది.
ఎక్స్ట్రా టాపిక్స్ నుంచి క్వశ్చన్స్ మోడల్స్?
ఎక్స్ట్రా టాపిక్స్ అంటే ఇది వచ్చింది, మ్యాథమెటికల్ రీజనింగ్ ఒకటి ఇచ్చింది.
ఓకే,
స్టాటిస్టిక్స్కి రాలేదు వాటి
పేపర్లో స్టాటిస్టిక్స్. ఓవరాల్గా నీకు కంఫర్ట్గా ఉంటుంది?
కంఫర్ట్.
రైట్,
క్యాల్కులస్ పార్ట్ కొంచెం డిఫికల్ట్గా ఉంది,
మిగతా ఈ జామెట్రీ పార్ట్ ఆల్జిబ్రా పార్ట్ ఆల్జిబ్రా పార్ట్ నుంచి కానీ పర్ముటేషన్ కానీ ప్రాబిలిటీ నుంచి కానీ నెక్స్ట్ ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ నుంచి ఏ మోడల్స్లో పడే క్వశ్చన్స్ మనకు ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ ఫంక్షన్స్ అంటారు, ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ ఫంక్షన్స్ నుంచి వచ్చింది. అట్లాగే కెమిస్ట్రీ పేపర్ ఎలా ఉంది?
ఆర్గానిక్ కొంచెం కష్టంగా ఇచ్చారు.
అట్లాగే ఫిజిక్స్లో
ఫిజిక్స్ ఓకే,
ఫిజిక్స్ ఓకే బాగానే ఉంది, ఫిజిక్స్ పేపర్ బాగానే ఉంది. ఓవరాల్గా నీకు లాస్ట్ ఫిబ్రవరి సెషన్ కానీ ఈ సెషన్ ఎలా అనిపించింది? ఈ సెషన్ పేపర్ మీకు హార్డ్ అనిపించింది. ఓకే, సో మన గ్రాండ్ టెస్ట్ పేపర్లో ఎలా మోడల్స్ ఎలా కాదు?
సేమ్ మోడల్
క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చింది. సో ఓవరాల్గా అయితే మీకు బాగానే హెల్ప్గా ఉంది అనిపిస్తుంది. ఓకేనా, రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్.
గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్.
ఏ కాలేజ్ నుంచి వచ్చా?
శ్రీ చైతన్య ఎల్బీ నగర్ క్యాంపస్.
సో క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఎలా ఉంది?
క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ నిన్నకంటే ఈరోజు కొంచెం బాగుంది. బట్ ఎక్కడే మ్యాథ్స్ వాజ్ సమ్వాట్ లెంతీ అండ్ డిఫికల్ట్, బట్ టుడే ఆల్సో మ్యాథ్స్ వాజ్ లెంతీ, బట్ సమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో ఈజీ అండ్ మెయిన్లీ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అండ్ వెక్టర్స్ ఆర్ కాన్సన్ట్రేటెడ్ and all the questions of all the integral calculus, algebra and coordinate geometry, everything was covered, and circuits was asked somewhat more, and physics just formula-based questions. If we have idea on formulas, we can attempt easily some 10 questions. And chemistry was NCERT level, and organic questions were repeated from yesterday's topic. Physics, everything was moderate, but finally question paper is better.
So compared to NCERT level, it is more than application of NCERT.
It is from application from NCERT level, sir, and some of the distillation methods, chromatographic methods,
Some unexpected questions.
are also asked from chemistry. So we need to have a glance on chemistry, NCERT applications. Even physical chemistry was also covered, all the questions from all the
From all
topics
topics.
of
It is a formula based questions only.
yes, sir. Applications were easy and numericals were also. We did not take much time to attempt the numerical questions. So finally, paper was easy.
Okay, it is a moderate one finally. So for compared to February session, so any concepts repeated from this?
Yes, sir. Some concepts like aromaticity, Haken-Sur, all these have repeated. So there is a chance that if we have prepared the topic well, we can attempt today's paper better.
Okay. So all the best. Next exam. Yeah, good afternoon. So what about your opinion for today's exam session?
Overall paper was a bit moderate, sir. Maths was a bit lengthy compared to maths was lengthy, but it was easy compared to yesterday. Some concepts were repeated from February session. In all the subjects, they were repeated. In mathematics, as you said, circles questions were asked a bit more in vectors, 3D, and matrices and determinants. And in coming to physics, there are formula-based questions. We can attempt more than 10 questions. Chemistry they are mostly asked physically in the numerical section, numerical part. So like, and they are mentioned in every question round of 2 years. So it was a bit okay. We didn't have
We covered 3 levels, organic, inorganic, physical equally or any difficulty. So overall paper is
organic and inorganic was covered in the multiple choice.
okay. Any neighborhood reactions?
Name of
Any interaction like isotization? Okay. What about overall 3 subjects feedback?
it was moderate, easy and moderate.
Okay. So what you are expecting?
I attempted
Okay.
maybe 1 or 2 might be wrong in some.
Okay. Thank you. College చెప్పారా?
Sri Chaitanya, Nagar campus.
ఓకే ఓవరాల్ గా క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఏంటి సబ్జెక్ట్ వైజ్ మ్యాథ్స్ కెమిస్ట్రీ
Maths was moderate, sir. All questions were covered. Almost all the topics were covered from calculus, geometry, algebra, and physics was also moderate. So chemistry was they were concentrated from NCERT level.
వాట్ అబౌట్ ఆర్గానిక్ ఇన్ఆర్గానిక్
Everything was covered, sir. Almost all the questions were covered of all the topics.
బిహైండ్ ఎన్సీఆర్టీ లెవెల్ మోర్ దెన్ దట్
Applications of NCERT, sir. We need to learn applications of NCERT.
వాట్ అబౌట్ ఫిజిక్స్
Everything was fine, sir. All the questions were covered of all the topics.
వాట్ ఎవర్ యువర్ ఒపీనియన్
Maths was moderate, sir, and bit lengthy in numerical questions. Vectors, 3D, and matrices questions were subjects also weightage. They have given weightage for subjects. In physics, formula-based questions were more. Difficult questions were present, but time is there.
ఓవరాల్ పేపర్ ఇస్
Overall paper is easy for physics.
సో కంపేర్ టు ఫిబ్రవరి సెషన్ సో
Maths paper was somewhat easy. February paper and physics in both was maths somewhat it was good, sir, this time. We felt so that because of this 10 days preparation, maths was easy for us.
ఓకే సో ఇంతకుముందు ప్రీవియస్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అన్ని ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ రివైజ్ చేసుకుంటే మనం కొంచెం బెటర్ పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవాలి
ఫిబ్రవరి మార్చ్ కోయిన్సైడ్ చేసుకొని ఇంకా ఏప్రిల్ మే ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వచ్చు, సార్.
ఓకే రైట్
We can do best in May session or April session.
Okay, all the best for next exam. So this is Ramesh Reddy from Chaitanya, LB Nagar campus.
So good evening. Now we are at Ion Digital Zone, Kovilambakkam, Chennai, and today JEE Mains March phase and afternoon session 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. exam was completed. Just now we are seeing the students are coming out from the examination center, and we will discuss about the paper standard and some information about subject wise with the students. So good evening. So may I know your good name?
My name is Jay Gautam.
Jay Gautam. Okay. So you are from which school?
Sri Chaitanya
Sri Chaitanya
Ponamali.
Ponamale campus. So Jay Gautam, how was the paper today?
Actually, today was
A bit tough. Mathematics?
mathematics and physics were relatively tougher than chemistry.
Which subject you felt comfortable? Chemistry. Right. What about physics?
Physics and mathematics were lengthy, and physics was with numerical object.
Object to numerical type?
Fully it was of numerical value. Theory question is very difficult.
Okay.
Maths I was able to answer, sir, but it was lengthy paper.
Right. So chemistry, inorganic or organic or physical? So from which volume given more number of questions?
I think equally
They are given equally. Inorganic, physical and organic equal importance they are given. And did you find any difference between phase 1 examination and which was conducted in the month of February and this examination?
phase 1 was easier, sir.
Oh, phase 1 is easier, better compared to the phase 2 examination. Okay. So what is your percentile in phase 1? 99.89. Very good. So are you expecting a better percentile than February phase? Very good. So about mathematics, from which chapters covered? Any chapters which are not covered?
I think I'm not sure, sir. I think everybody will have the
Calculus, geometry and algebra, which part you felt easy?
maths, easy, sir.
Maths you felt easy or maximum questions?
Physics also easy, sir, but numerical questions, sir.
Numerical
Find
questions.
values.
Okay,
Value
little bit tough.
confused.
Alright, so Gautam, all the very best for the April phase. Take care. Thank you.
Yeah, good evening. We are at one of the JEE Mains Examination Center. I just want to take feedback from the student. What is your name?
Yogendra Prasad.
Okay. You are from which campus?
Perumbagam.
Okay, fine. How is the examination?
It was comparatively tougher than
Okay. So you feel like previous one is easier than compared to the second phase examination. Okay. So which subject you are feeling difficulty?
mathematics.
What about physics and chemistry?
Physics and chemistry was comparatively easy.
Okay. Compared to the maths, physics and chemistry are easy. So what you are feeling difficulty in maths?
Mathematics, the problems are lengthy, sir. Somewhat.
Okay, fine. So physics and chemistry you are feeling like it is easy.
It was
So
pretty much formulas.
okay, fine. So you are thinking like you will get a better percentile compared to the previous one.
Somewhere near only, sir.
Okay, fine. Anyhow, all the best for the next phase examination also. Do well. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Hi friends, welcome to Sri Chaitanya. This is Uma Shankar, All India IIT coordinator of Sri Chaitanya. Yeah, yesterday we have completed JEE Main 2021 March 16th Shift 1 and Shift 2 analysis. Now today we are concentrating on 17th March Shift 1 and Shift 2 analysis. Actually, almost March 16th paper as well as March 17th paper, just they're similar, almost. Ninna, relatively mathematics paper was a little bit difficult, whereas today, of course, what kind of things అనేటువంటిది మనం ఆల్రెడీ స్టూడెంట్స్ బైట్స్లో మనం చూస్తున్నాం. బట్ అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్, ప్లీజ్ షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ Uma Shankar ఛానల్. మీకు ఇలాంటి విషయాలు ఎన్నో every time we are giving, and soon we are entering into next season number 3 of JEE Mains and advanced series also, that I will give the, another further information later. But now March 17th Shift 1 Shift 2 ఫైనల్ వర్డిక్ట్లోకి వెళ్ళబోయే ముందు మీరు ఇందాక చూసినటువంటి బైట్స్ ద్వారా మనం గమనించింది ఏంటంటే, అండ్ ఆ ఫైనల్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఏంటంటే, అసలు మనం అందరం కూడా తెలుసుకోవాల్సిన బ్రేకింగ్ న్యూస్ ఏంటంటే, మెజారిటీ ఆఫ్ ది క్వశ్చన్స్ JEE మెయిన్స్లో ఈసారి అందరూ కూడా ఈ 17th March Shift 1 అండ్ Shift 2లో గతంలోని IIT JEE ఓల్డ్ పేపర్స్లో ఉన్నటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ని దే హ్యావ్ రిపీటెడ్. They have picked all the important questions of old JEE, IIT JEE paper questions, and they have prepared JEE Mains paper. అంటే ఇంటెన్షన్ ఏంటంటే, if you have solved all previous 40 years of the papers, you will easily identify, okay, which questions are similar, Hope the same may happen even in tomorrow, last phase, March 18th, shift 1 and shift 2 also. And of course, not even for that, even coming 2 shifts are there for April and May. Again, my suggestion would be those who are attempting for April and May shifts, please thoroughly solve all previous year's papers, not only JEE May, advanced papers also. All straight objective questions, assertion reason type of questions, statement 1, statement 2 type of questions, all straight questions and direct connectivity questions which are there in JEE advanced paper, you have to practice more, because nowadays they are giving all these type of questions. The reason is very simple, because NTA board has collected all the questions and they prepared the question bank. Where do they get the question papers and question bank? They may collect all the questions from the previous questions data only. So with them, the all India wide competitive examinations like IIT, all the questions they may available in their question bank data. Obviously, randomly they will pick and they will prepare the question banks. This is one of the best suggestion for you. Please don't ignore those papers. Now coming to JEE Mains Mathematics paper, even in shift 1 and shift 2, as usual, mathematical reasoning, integrations, definite and integration areas, differential equations questions are guaranteed. Matrices from 16th shift 1 and shift 2, even 17th shift 1 and shift 2, very good questions are asked in matrices, determinants and linear equations. And after that, we have to, they concentrated on the second coordinate geometry part, which is circles and conics, very elementary basic part. But there are some problems with the lengthy calculations, and of course, even in probability also they asked very good questions, especially in a mathematics point of view. But very simple trigonometric application problems are asked. But majority, they have given very good what is called importance to algebra next to calculus. Then onwards, only vector algebra and 3-dimension geometry they have concept. Here, red color the topics which are in the red color are very important. Of that, circles, vector algebra, matrices and determinants, probability are very important. And blue color topics, questions are compulsorily, they are giving questions exclusively from the blue colored topics. Yes, this is about the feedback from mathematics. Even see, my friends, based on this information, you have to prepare. Those who are preparing even for April and May sessions, these are the most important topics one should practice. Now coming to physics, this time in kinetic theory of gases, they asked one question, and thermodynamics 3 questions. Of that, one is heat flow, and the second one is work done and internal energy. Next, Carnot engine questions they have asked, and in electricity they asked 2 questions. Of that, one question is under drift velocity, and another one is effective resistance. Similarly, as usual, logic gates, they are asking very good questions. AC and logic AC currents, they are also asking one questions. This time, in physical applications, experimental physics, linear caliper questions, and they have asked one question. And communication systems also, they have asked one question. So, the additional topics which are there in physics topics, they asked those questions. And coming to modern physics, of course, velocity of nth orbit, one question they asked, and electron and photon same energy ratio of wavelength. Based on that concept, they have asked one question. The energy of nth orbit, they asked one question. And the magnetism moving charges is one question they asked. And electromagnetic induction concepts also they asked. Majority they have focused on second year part, and very few questions they asked in the first year part. So, one shot, two birds point of view, those who are preparing for the board examinations, if you are thorough and concentrated on exclusive secondary topics also, including modern physics and wave optics and ray optics, you will score very good marks. Majority semiconductor devices at modern physics part, they are asking very simple question, and they completely stick on to the NCERT models only. That experimental based problems are very useful. This time, several application problems they ask. Now, that is about physics. And the topics given in both the shift 1 and shift 2, majority of the concepts they covered repeatedly from both the shift 1 and shift 2. Now coming to chemistry, of course, metallurgy, they asked one question, and chemistry in everyday life they asked one question, ionic equilibrium also they asked one question. And there in the topics which I have mentioned here on the screen, they are very important topics. After that, the questions from alkali metals and halides, questions of ammonolysis and hydrogen compounds law, D20 concepts and solutions law, Henry's law, gaseous states law, in gaseous state, Dalton's law and partial pressures, in environmental chemistry law, components of reducing SMOGs and order of conductivity of water, lithium plus, K plus, sodium plus, Rb plus, Cs plus, chemical kinetics, one question they have asked, and D Black assertion is a type of questions, two questions they asked based on potassium permanganate concept, organic chemistry, Hoffman bromide reaction they asked, states of matter law, calculation of total pressure, similar to almost questions are just similar to yesterday's. But this time, compared with the 16th paper, 16th March paper, 17th paper, mathematics was relatively moderate. I mean, easy to moderate. Physics is also okay, moderate. Chemistry a little bit difficult. After that, this time, majority they have asked questions exclusively on which topics that I will explain. In a majority, both shift 1 and shift 2 moderate when compared with by taking the feedback. It varies from person to person, but on a whole, majority of the people they face mathematics as somewhat easy to moderate paper when compared with the February papers. Some very few questions are a little bit lengthy, and all old IIT JEE questions they are asked. And of course, in physics, of course, there are some questions. One or two questions they created some nuisance in the minds of the students, and numerical value problems are somewhat tricky, and it takes they take time for solving them. And of course, my suggestion would be those who are writing the numerical value problem read the instructions properly, and whether they are giving an integer or numerical value, read them, because if you are anybody is suppose if they are giving numerical value only, if anybody is writing in decimals, they may lose the mark also. So nearest answer you need to find. That's why you please read the instructions properly. And my friends, there are some questions in chemistry, they created ambiguity in the minds of the students, especially in shift 1 and shift 2. And of course, in physics also one question, of course, there is no answer at all. In mathematics also, there is one question in a definite integration. It creates some problem in the minds of the students. Actually, of course, which of the following statement is wrong? Like that questions they have asked. Those questions they created confusion in the minds of the students. Of course, chemistry, moderate. Physical chemistry, numerical value questions are a little bit lengthy. This time, very good questions they concentrated in the inorganic chemistry, then only organic chemistry. In organic chemistry, straight and standard reactions only they have asked. Of course, my friends, this is about what the final verdict of 17 sessions, section 1 and shift 1 and shift 2. సో ఇక్కడ చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే ఇదే రకంగా వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి ద స్టాండర్డ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎగ్జామినేషన్ మీరు తీసుకోవాల్సినటువంటి మేజర్ ప్రికాషన్స్. Even for tomorrow aspirants or for April or May aspirants, my suggestion would be please solve all previous years of papers thoroughly. Topic wise, you segregate those models and try to understand what kind of questions they are asking. Based on that, you change your preparation and strengthen, collect more questions. Of course, in Sri Chaitanya, we are been providing all the different type of assignments, and based on each and every concept, we are giving 100 numbers of questions for them. There is no problem at all. Those who are watching my videos on behalf of Sri Chaitanya through my channel, Umashankar channel, but for them, my recommendation should be please solve all previous years JEE advanced straight objective questions also. For years JEE or JEE straight objective questions can solve the same models and it won't have any chance. I have gone through some of the memory-based papers. I think I have collected some questions from students. There I have identified, okay, these are the questions already they have asked in the IIT examination. So the same thing may happen even in the April and May session also. So please don't forget all these things. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoyed this, please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel, because of this kind of things that we are providing so many things on behalf of Sri Chaitanya through Umashankar channel. And my friends, please don't forget to check the description. And soon we are in April and May sessions lo drushlo pettukoni we have plenty of time in our mind, in our hand. So I am planning very good beautiful assignments trips, that is season number 3. Soon we are going to enter that details I will share in the next video. Thank you for watching my video. and wish you all the best for next session, students. Good night.